Sige na, manood.
I'm Cassie. I learned about dinosaurs and I love Super Junior.
Really?
Yes.
What's your favorite?
Cookie.
Only
Why Tuki?
Because I gave him a gift.
What gift?
I give him necklace wings of angel.
Ah,
Who else
okay.
do you want? in
Only
Super
Tuki?
Junior?
So he also
Oh, really? Who else?
Hichul.
Oh, you like Hichul?
He's just
Why? Why do you like Hichul?
he's cute also.
What did he do to you?
Kiss my lips.
How about Donghi?
Kiss my hand.
How about Tuki?
Shake my hand.
Shake your hand.
Yes.
Did he give something to you?
Yes.
What did he give?
A ball.
Only one?
Yes.
Only one ball?
Then I kept it.
You kept it
And
on
then it's a cabinet.
in the
the one I
cabinet. You see, Bobby?
Oh, sige na.
Bye, Cookie.
Bye, Tuki.